Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a locked background. Unlock it and immediately duplicate the layer to keep a safe original. Once done, confirm RGB color mode for screen work because selection behavior and blending differ. Make sure rulers and the layers panel are visible to speed navigation. Next, zoom into the edges and eyeball problem areas. This matters because selection tools respond differently to contrast. Now choose your first selection tool. Quick selection works fast. The magic wand is better for uniform background. Use select subject or the quick selection to get a solid initial mask because a good starting selection reduces rework. Then open select and mask. Switch to overlay or on black to see fine edge halos. Inside that workspace, use the refine edge brush along hair or soft borders to capture semi-transparent pixels and adjust smooth, feather, and contrast to clean jagged edges. Once you see a natural edge, output to a layer mask so edits remain non-destructive. Apply the mask and immediately add a solid color or checkerboard layer beneath to verify true transparency and spot halos. If a fringe remains, paint on the mask with a small soft brush or use select and masks decontaminate colors to remove color bleed. Make sure to check edges at 100% zoom. Finally, export as PNG 24 for flattened transparency or save a layered PSD to preserve the mask. If colors shift, revert to the duplicate layer and try a gentler refine edge setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.